Today, I want to talk about the Silk Road, not as a single road, but as a network of trade routes that connected East Asia to the Mediterranean for over 1,500 years. Most people associate the Silk Road with the exchange of goods, silk, spices, precious metals, and that's accurate. But what's often overlooked is that the Silk Road was just as important for the exchange of ideas. As merchants traveled between regions, they carried more than products. They brought religious beliefs, scientific knowledge, and artistic techniques from one culture to another. Buddhism, for example, spread from India to China largely through Silk Road connections. Similarly, papermaking technology moved westward from China and eventually reached Europe, which had an enormous impact on education and communication. Of course, the Silk Road also had negative consequences. Diseases spread along these same routes. The Black Death, which devastated Europe in the 14th century, is believed to have traveled along Silk Road trade networks from Central Asia. So when we study the Silk Road, we need to look beyond commerce. It was a channel for cultural exchange, both beneficial and destructive. In our next session, we'll examine how specific cities along the route became centers of learning and innovation.